Okay, welcome back, Matadors. This is Mr. Science. We're going to be going over some of the Big Ideas Math Chapter 2 review exercises. This is item number 11. You are asked to draw the figure and its reflection in the x-axis as well as its reflection in the y-axis. So we're going to draw this figure here, okay, with vertices A, B, and C. We're going to draw that first, and then we're going to use that figure and show a reflection in the x-axis, and then we're going to show a reflection in the y-axis, okay, of the same figure. So let's go ahead and first let's draw the figure that it's asking us to draw. So A is at 2 and 0. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. A is at 2 and 0, so this is A. B is at 1 and 5, so B is up here. And C is at 4 and 3, so this is C. So let's go ahead and connect our dots. Let's do that again. We have a triangle, okay. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to reflect it in the X. So we'll go ahead and do that in red. And let me highlight the X. So this is the X-axis here. And what we're basically going to do is we're going to shoot these points all the way down to the other side of the X-axis. So let's go ahead and do that. Remember, the B will stay along this line here. The C will stay along this line here. And since the A is on the axis itself, the A will not change, will not move. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's go, we'll do the B first. So let me zoom in. And since the B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units up, that means it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units down. So this is where B prime is going to be located. Same thing for C. Let's count how many units it is away from the x-axis. It's 1, 2, 3. So we're going to go ahead and do that in the opposite direction. 1, 2, 3. And this will be the location of C prime. So this is how you would reflect the triangle in the x-axis. And again, the A would stay the same. So right here, you have A and also A prime for the reflection in the x-axis. So that's how you would reflect it in the x. So now we're going to do a reflection in the y. So now we're going to reflect it over the y. So we're just going to take these points and shift them over in this direction here because we are reflecting it over the y-axis. So let's go ahead and do that. Remember, the B is now going to stay along this horizontal line. The C is going to stay along this horizontal line, and the A will stay along this horizontal line as well. So let's go ahead and let's count the distances that those points are away from the y-axis. So let me zoom in a little bit. A is 2 units to the right of the y, so then it will be 2 units to the left. So it's going to be right here. This is the, well, since we're doing it as the second reflection, we'll go ahead and put 2 hash marks up there. B is 1 unit away, so it will be 1 unit away in the opposite direction. So this is B with 2 hash marks, and C is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is where C will be. And now you have successfully performed reflections in the X and reflections in the Y. Okay. Thank you for your